know, on average about 7-10 years on that. Yeah, I'm excited, honestly. When I pulled up, I was driving through the neighborhood. I was just like, this is cool.
The neighborhood's bomb, right? I mean, I love that. I mean, I kind of like that I still have neighbors, so I don't feel like I'm so stuck out in the country that I'm by myself. But like
the fact that you have all of this land.
Is that behind us?
No. Just
no.
look at it.
I was gonna say that's not the.
Yeah, the scenery.
Screenshot.
House number 3.
So there's no fence.
Right.
Oh, that one. You got that one. No. This is a big yard. It's your boy Catloco. House number 3.
I mean, we'll kind of go take a look at everything, but I mean, it really wouldn't be that hard.
This is very nice and neat. The yard looks pretty good.
Yeah, like a little, see a little bit of fire pit over there where the chairs are.
This is what you can kind of see about the property lines are.
Oh, yeah.
It has a fence.
So we end at that pond.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, the
pond
pond's
is ours.
Yeah.
Yep.
Has koi and something else in it.
Are you sure?
You got popcorn.
Really, nigga?
Yeah, I have this.
You know, but what I'm noticing is I don't see these stress fractures above the doorways, above the windows. I mean, now the other thing too is sometimes people cover it up. You don't have any of that.
Yeah. We got a bunch at our house.
Okay, so this is for Micah, right? Not a counter, so I could. What's this? Just like a built-in cutting board?
Let's check it out.
Oh, nice. Okay.
All right, let's take it. I want to take a look at this deck.
Yeah.
Garage. So this is the 2-car garage. Yeah, I'm coming. So it's not bad. I mean, you can put nice workbenches in here. Then it also has another garage, but decent sized kitchen. Fridge doesn't stay, but we'll take ours. We go out on the deck.
Trees too. I mean, they all look healthy. You don't have anything overhanging the house.
Oh. Wonder what that's to.
That's the bedroom. The other garage. Huh.
Yeah, it said.
I wonder what that door, there's another garage door at the bottom though.
Yeah.
There's a garage down there too? Yeah, you got a bunch of parking.
Wait, there's another garage on this side?
Yeah.
Yeah, underneath. Look.
You got quarry pond, bass pond.
Okay, I'm gonna go back.
Whenever you painted it, you did some gray.
I would totally do all green. All this dark drab color would go.
Let's see it again. Bathroom.
And this is just your style. It's not, I mean,
Right.
You bank on having to paint when you
Exactly. Right.
But I would like to use some money to have something painted for me. It's dark. That's a lot of painting.
What color?
It's like, oh, I didn't even see this. Did I see this room? Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, it's the first room. Or I can close it.
This could totally be an office too.
Oh, yeah. This would be a huge office in here. But yeah.
Oh, hey, do they have? They must have dampers in this house because
They
they have a thermostat up here too.
Yep.
Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
That's good because our house doesn't have dampers.
So maybe he does taxidermy. Yeah, he has one inside the bathroom too. Oh, I love that safe. That's how. Can we leave that at the house?
Yeah. God, I
thing
can't
is
even
nice.
imagine how much that thing costs, or weighs, or how the hell.
All of it. This room right here, all the
I mean, I wonder
taxidermy
how it even
alone.
got in here, dude.
Yeah.
Honey.
Oh, here's another. You saw a second one. Oh my God.
Wow. Dude, look at just how neat all this is.
This would be my room right there. Yeah, I'm coming in there
No,
now.
no, that's his name. It's John.
Oh,
That's hilarious. Storage.
yeah, this is crazy. This is totally me. All the guns. Oh yeah. Man. So this room goes all the way through. Yeah, this thing's sick. Love that safe. Another safe. The gun room. Yeah, I definitely could use this room right here. Got fishing poles, reloading bench, ammo, all your gun supplies, gun cases, all your hunting clothing gear, more rods. Sick. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's definitely another safe.
Oh, I know.
NRI.
I'll run the comps too once I leave too. Yeah.
So it's more like a storage, it's not like a garage. No?
Right. It's
Well,
basically.
Where's the
if you're
door?
using it as storage, honey, you could use it as a garage. It's right here.
Yeah, but
You can put one car in here.
yeah, you can fit one car.
The Nova could go in here.
It'd be, yeah, it would fit.
It would fit.
Another garage
Small.
door.
And then there's a door here, but I don't know where it goes to.
Actually, this is a pretty decent size.
Holy shit. What is that?
What is this for?
Is that phones? That's like a phone patch panel. That's
kinda what it
weird.
looks like.
Oh, Uverse, so might get Google. That's like a.
I think it's phone, isn't it? Or is maybe that security system?
That's phone lines right there. That's
Okay.
that's all the phone. But why would you need?
I just had it. I mean, they bought this thing
Oh, with all the
25 years ago.
With all the guns in here, I'm sure he has a surveillance system that we just haven't found. Like all
So
these.
you got
like all these files.
piping going through. I mean,
Hey, look, one of these lights too.
No, because I mean these are all those are like network cables. All those red cables.
yeah.
That's some thick.
So he's a hunter and a fisher.
Yeah, he
Keeps
knows.
his dead bodies in here.
There's all the deer meat and stuff in here. I
Deep
guarantee it.
freeze. Well,
All the
it's
bodies.
nice that we can actually have a deep freeze because we would actually use one.
Well, I'm sure you don't want that one.
Let's see if
That goes with the house, I'm sure.
assuming.
Yeah, it won't take no. This is like a lifetime of stuff in this house. There's no way. Got
There's
more.
no way they could do it 30-day closing.
Got
Which is
more
good.
gun cases up there.
Well, I mean, I'm just saying, like, especially for you guys, you know, if it ends up being the one, you got extra
Get
time.
your shit together,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
I'm just only
It's
hesitant
nice.
because it's so far fucking away.
Oh,
Where we are now.
man, he's a true hunter. He got bow and arrows and.
Well, they're preparing.
Oh yeah, they're ready to get
Yeah, they're ready.
get stuff going, I guess.
Cosmetic stuff to hold me up, but
Someone has a little shooting range back there.
Really?
Yeah, I heard it. I heard the shooting. The pop, 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 pop.
That doesn't make me happy.
No. When you got a lot of land, you can shoot. It's pretty. So the shop has no power. See? You hear it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. That's insane.
It's a beautiful house. It's got great curb appeal.
there's
there's no house we're gonna get that's gonna be.
So I'm checking out the pond. So this pond has some large koi fish and bass in here. So you literally just go in your backyard and do some fishing. It's pretty sick. So I would own this. That's the neighbor's pond. That's the shop, but it doesn't have power, so I have to run 320 and some put a box in there for power. But this is probably the best property by far, even though I don't have the full shop, but I have 4 garages. That's a garage. I got a 2-car on the other side. Then we got this garage over here, which is basically you can fit 1 or 2 cars in there. But I probably just work on 1 out of this one.
Seems like he's liking the
But yeah, this might be a winner.
Is there like housewarming party deal? Is that tomorrow?
But right now, this is gonna sell quick. Definitely quick. Huge driveways on both sides. As always, it's your boy Catloco. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.